Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So let's discuss the given question here. If x equal to f of t and y equal to g of t as are differential functions of t and f dash of t is not equal to 0, then find the value of d2y by dx square. Okay. So how we solve this question, guys? So guys, mainly key concept is nothing but the derivative of composite functions. Derivative of composite functions using chain rule. Okay, that we have to solve here. So this is the derivative of composite functions using the chain rule. Okay, so how we solve this? Write down the given function, that is x equal to f of t, that means dx by dt is equal to f dash of t. Okay, am I correct, guys? Yes. Call this equation number 1. Take on the next slide, that is y equal to g of t. Y equal to g of t, that means dy by dt is equal to what? G dash of t. Call this equation number 2. Now tell me, what is the value of dy by dx? It becomes dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. Substitute the values, it becomes dy by dt is nothing but the g dash of t upon f dash of t. Okay, so guys, this is the value of dy by dx, right? But what we want exactly? We want d2y by dx square. Okay, so how we solve this? It becomes d by dx of this g dash of t whole divided by f dash of t. So which rule you will be using here? U by v rule, right? So if you use that u by differentiation of u by v rule, so you will be getting, and guys, here should be a multiplication of, if we solve this, hence d2y by dx square will be f dash of t, okay, into g double dash of t minus g dash of t into f double dash of t, and whole divided by denominator square, that is f dash of t bracket square, and at the last will be dt by dx. Remember that also, dt by dx we have to multiply. So if we solve this, you will get the answer, that is f dash of t into g double dash of t minus g dash of t into f double dash of t whole divided by f dash of t bracket square into 1 upon, that is dx by dt value is nothing but f dash of t. So guys, what will be your final answer? That is d2y by dx square. So your final answer will be f dash of t into g double dash of t minus g dash of t into f double dash of t whole divided by f dash of t bracket cube. So guys, this will be your final answer. Remember that. So let's check which option is correct one. So in the denominator will be cube. So option B will be correct answer, guys. I hope everybody has understood this question. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.